Mercury thermostats might seem old school, but they still cause a ton of heat and air conditioning headaches beyond just not being level. Okay, so one thing to check is the heat anticipator setting. If it's off, your heater could be cycling on and off too much or not enough, which is super annoying and wastes energy. Also, those little bimetal strips inside can get bent or sticky over time, messing with your temperature control and making your place feel like a sauna or a freezer. If you're dealing with an older system, sometimes the wiring gets corroded or loose, so double-check those connections to avoid random shutoffs. Another tip is to clean out any dust or grime around the thermostat, since dirt can interfere with the contact points, and honestly, upgrading to a digital thermostat can save you a bunch of stress. These bad boys are way more accurate and easier to use. Plus, digital ones often have programmable settings that help cut down on your bills by running your heat or AC only when you really need it. If you're keeping the Mercury thermostat for nostalgia or budget reasons, just be sure to test it regularly and keep an eye on any weird temperature swings. One of the biggest mistakes people make with Mercury thermostats is ignoring the heat anticipator setting, which leads to uneven heating and higher energy costs. Fix this by adjusting the anticipator to match your heater's current draw. Another common problem is not noticing when the bimetal strip gets stuck or bent, causing your system to run too long or too short. Gently resetting or replacing it can fix this. Lastly, a lot of folks forget that old wiring can cause intermittent issues, so checking for corrosion or loose connections and tightening or replacing wires as needed will keep things running smoother and prevent sudden system failures. BigHomeProjects.com is great for homeowners wanting to find local contractors they can trust without all the hassle. It also helps contractors connect with people looking for their services, making it easier to get work and grow their business.